Hello guys, yeah, welcome back. How you guys doing? How has been your week so far? I understand this week it's a lot. It's actually a lot. Even for me, I've been trying my best to just keep up, but we still have to stand strong. We do hard things here, not small like soft things. We do hard things. So today, let me just run you through the week 3 milestone, how to submit. So I'm not going to like, I know the milestone is actually a lot. Even when I was doing I was just finding it difficult. It was a lot, but with the help of ChatGPT, I was able to like navigate my way through it. So if you need like one-on-one assistance to do your milestone, you can actually send me an email. Note, it does not come in for free. It's not for free because I did a lot of work in getting mine done. I know the effort I put in to get it done. So I know how difficult it is. So I won't do that for free. So if you can do it, fine. You can use ChatGPT. It's even stated that you can use ChatGPT as a source. You can use Google. You can use Meta AI. You can use any AI tools to ask your questions and generate your answers. They don't expect you to form the answers from your head. They are research questions. You can use any search engine. You can use any search engine to get your information and compilate them together. Just tell them the source where you got the information from. Simple. You can use AI. You can use ChatGPT. So you don't have to stress yourself and overstress yourself. So if you need one-on-one for me to assist you with the prompt and everything, it's not for free. I'm gonna charge you. So if you're still interested, or you want me to assist you, or you want me to do it for you because you are busy or anything, I can do that for you. It's fine, but it's at a cost. Just a low, not too much, just a small commitment amount, just to show how serious you are and stuff like that. So okay, as I was saying, so if you want me to assist you, you want me to put you through, or you want me to do it for you because you're busy, you have a busy schedule, I understand. I can do it for you, but at a cost, little cost, just minimum, just affordable costs, because it's a lot. Even you can see that it's a lot of hard work. There are more than 20 questions. It's a lot. I don't even need to dwell into that. So I'll just run you through mine and how I'm gonna submit it. So I believe you guys can do it. You can do it. That is it. So this one is showing in the black this thing. I'll just go ahead. So this is just it. It's a lot. As in, when I was doing it, I was like, oh my goodness, why are these people doing us like this? It's a lot. I've been pending that I would do it, but I just feel like I have to do this thing today. I have to. You can see, like, it's a lot. Imagine me doing this for someone, and no, I can't, because it took me a lot of time to get mine done, and I can't even forfeit that time for something that no. So this is just a run through of it. So I'm just gonna download it. So I'm just gonna download. Save to file. iPhone. Saved. So let's see the milestone submission. So complete the missing item in the week 3. Yada. Make sure to double check. Once you are done, convert this thing to PDF. As I downloaded it, it's gonna convert to PDF automatically. So I just have to rename now, as usual. So this is it. Milestone 03 underscore what again? my name, yeah, Adedoyin underscore surname underscore date. Today is 30/01/2025. That's it. Let's see. Yeah, that's it. So I've renamed it. Let's go next. So this one is just easy. Once you've done it, it's easy to just submit. So there's no conversion to PDF or anything. So you just submit. So choose file. There's it. Submit. And voila. We're good. So submitted. My test. So we are done for the week. I know if you are still having some challenges here and there, you can reach out to me. I can assist as much as I can because I'm also busy. I have job also, so you can't expect me to give you 100% attention. So I can still try my best to give you some tips to help you continue your study, your learning journey. So see, my score is very small, 91%. It's very small. Why? Because the quiz are so technical. They are not easy at all. But thank God, as long as we are not below 70%, so we are good. We are good to go. So that's all, guys. So don't forget, if you still need assistance on how to get all the questions, all the informations, all the research answers, you can reach out to me. Don't forget, you can use any AI tools for it. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Meta AI, you can also use Google. So you can use it. So you can give them the prompt, the AI tools the prompt, and they give you your answer. And if you know you still can't do it, reach out to me, but it will come at a cost, affordable cost. Don't worry, I'm not gonna charge you guys, but it's not that I'm after the money, but people just misuse the offers given to them. They will surely want to take it for granted. So that's why I just feel like I will have to stipulate a little commitment fee on it. So if you pay for it, you know how to take the cost serious. Some people are not taking it serious, even even though they even paid for the course, they are still not taking it serious. I don't know why. So that's the reason behind the cost, for it. So that's it, guys. So enjoy your day and enjoy your week, and see you next week. Thank you, guys, and I love you. Bye.